Okay. You're gonna be going night-night again? Okay.
No, Snickers. You don't get on that bed.
Thank you, Sophie. Thank you, Sophie.
And you left your shoes.
Thank you. Thank you, Sophie.
Trying to get your shoes, Mom.
Oh, I love that little skin, the way it feels. Look at that meme with the tongue out. That kind of reminds me of my mother.
The tongue?
Mm-hmm. Whenever she got real mad.
Every now and then, she's mad.
Hey!
Yeah.
Hey! Hey!
Or right before a cat ended up on the floor or something. Something real nasty. Don't play with me, fine. Go in here.
Granny wants to get up, Sophie.
Go help Grandma. Go help Grandma up. Get Grandma off the couch.
No, I've played with her all I'm going to.
Sophie.
Oh, isn't that sweet?